Hello folks, this is Alex from the TIMELAPSE guy, and today I'm going to unbox this, the Feiyutech AK2000 version 2. Have fun!
The gimbal comes in a very stable foam case which can also be used for transport and storage. In addition, the box has been officially approved by the CAT. When we open the case, the first thing that shines at us is dazzling light. Okay, never mind. When we open the case, we see the gimbal and all the accessories neatly sorted. The AK2000 set includes a charger and 4 18650 batteries to power the gimbal, a charging cable and several camera connection cables. Later the camera is fixed with a quick change plate with rubberized surface and several adjustment possibilities for many different cameras. 2 different 1/4" screws are also included. Should you use a very long lens, then there is the possibility to support it with a wide piece. You simply screw it into the front of the quick release plate and adapt it to your lens. Of course, you can still use the zoom or focus ring because it can slide off small rollers. This little feature really impressed me because I haven't seen it on any other gimbal yet. The most important thing is of course the gimbal itself. Here it is remarkable that it has an extremely high processing quality through and through. From the knurling of the battery flap to the rubberized and therefore non-slippery handle along the engines and brackets, it simply feels awesome and so well engineered. To make the gimbal ready to start, the 4 batteries have to be inserted into the handle. Another very handy part is the full metal tripod, which you can simply screw to the bottom of the gimbal to set it up somewhere for motion time lapses, or if you want to put it down between shoots, because the gimbal including camera already has a considerable weight on the scale. After you have balanced the camera on the gimbal, which I will show in detail in the next video, you can start the gimbal. After a short moment you're ready for your next shooting adventure.
So that's it for today's unboxing. If you want to learn more about this gimbal, make sure you check out my next video where I will review this thing, and I'm very interested in the time-lapse features this thing offers. Also check out the description, I put a link to Feiyutech there where you can check out the product and more products. They offer gimbals for GoPros and for smaller cameras and for bigger cameras as well. And I also put some links to the gear I used there. Last but not least, you should go check out my last video where you can win a time-lapse slide. I put you a link to this video over here. Now that's it for today's video, I hope you liked it. Comments and questions down below in the description, and I hope I see you in the next one.